Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. So today I'm going to clean up this disaster mess, and I'm going to get all my tools organized and upstairs, and I'm going to take this wooden shelving unit that's right here and this workbench, and I'm going to put them over here and here and make this just a living area, not a bedroom, but just like a little family room area. I'm going to repaint all this floor. So without further ado, let's get started now. Getting there. Not much to film here unless you want to watch me walk around organizing crap. Carrying tools upstairs, carrying miscellaneous material out to the garage where I could easily back up and snatch it. So let's keep going with this. Alright, so I got all my crap cleaned up, swept up. Just charging some battery packs over here. I'm all cleaned up. I have dude bringing me some floor paint and some paint for this wall, so I'm scraping all the blisters on this wall, and I'm about right to here, and should eliminate these with these sump pumps. Should eliminate the water on this back wall. So I'll come through here and scrape all these blisters. This is what I'm talking about, like this stuff. It's efflorescence. Like here's some right here. It's the lime that's in the glue in the cinder block leaching out due to water. So I think we got rid of the water problem, and that should slow down. We've provided two separate places for that water to go, and it's going to follow the path of least resistance. So I'm going to continue with this, and we'll be back shortly. Alright, so this is drying nicely, and this back wall I just got painted with mold and mildew proof by Zinsser. And he brought me another gallon of floor paint. So tomorrow I am going to finish up all this floor here and start getting my tools to another property. So it's possible that I won't be filming. Maybe I will. I'll take you to the building. Haven't been there in a while. We got 2 people moving in Saturday, unit 3 and 4, and 1 guy moving out. And apparently there was a break-in, but it was all captured on camera. So we'll go take a look at that too if I'm there. But thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please subscribe. Share the video. Watch another video. Hit the like button. Choo choo.